My English speaking challenges have been a game changer for me. I never thought I could express my thoughts in English like this. But after completing a few speaking challenges, I can already see a big difference. Now I can express my thoughts more clearly and I feel more confidence while speaking English. That's why I started a 30-day English speaking challenge. My goal is not to speak perfect English. My goal is to express my thoughts more clearly, become more confident, and improve a little every day. Today I completed week 1. Here is my week 1. The first activity was mirror talk. Every day I stood in front of a mirror and spoke around 10 to 15 sentences. Most of them were positive affirmations, while some were about myself and my English learning journey. At first, it felt difficult because I didn't know what to say. But after a few days, I noticed that I become more comfortable talking to myself. Day by day, my confidence increased. I started speaking more confidently, and the positive affirmations kept me motivated. The second activity, shadowing practice. For the whole week, I used only one video of Priyanka Chopra. Instead of watching different videos every day, I listened to the same video again and again. I wanted to understand every word, her pronunciation, and the way she expressed her thoughts. This practice improved my pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and confidence. Third, fast reading practice. I searched for a fast reading practice video on YouTube and read along with the speaker every day. This practice improved my reading speed, pronunciation, and speaking flow. And the last activity, recording my voice. On the first day, I recorded my voice on my tab. Then I listened to it to find my mistake. But I realized something. I couldn't find many of my mistakes because everything sounded correct to me. So I decided to practice with ChatGPT. Every day I had conversation with ChatGPT. I described my daily routine and ChatGPT correct my grammar, tenses, vocabulary, and sentence structure. It also explained why my mistakes were wrong, which helped me learn much better. After this, I can already see a big difference. For me, this is a real progress. I know my English is not perfect yet, but I am enjoying this journey and I will continue practice every day. I always remember one thing. Consistency is more important than perfection. I hope my journey motivates you. You don't need perfect English to start. Just start with whatever you know and practice every day. All the best for your journey too. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.